These exact companion planting combos right here in my backyard are keeping all of my plants alive. Let me walk you through what's working right now. Because in this July heat, my garden is still thriving. I'm in Zone 7. I'm baking out here. Come on, let's go.
So I'm using my cucumbers as natural shade, letting them drape over my arugula, carrots, and spinach, acting as a natural canopy, keeping them cool in this heat.
Now for my pride and joy. Onions! Onions! Onions line every single one of my garden beds.
Why? Because they are one of the best pest deterrents. They mask the scent of more vulnerable plants and they don't attract pests themselves. It's a win-win.
Chamomile, peppers, and tomatoes. Okay, this is not a traditional combo.
But who says gardening has to be traditional? Chamomile attracts pollinators like crazy. And I don't know about you, but my worst fear as a gardener is no pollination. Second, chamomile is believed to boost the health of its neighboring plants. How and why? Great question. Well, it boosts their health by releasing those antifungal compounds back into the soil.
Real talk, my eggplants haven't been so lucky. Come with me.
Flea beetles, those tiny black specks, are out here snacking on my eggplant leaves. All that's growing in this garden bed is some cilantro going to seed, a few sleeping herbs, and a acorn squash that hasn't quite taken off yet. Companion planting is important. And now for a classic, tomato and basil. I mean, this combo just works. I have tomatoes, peppers, onions, and basil on the far side of this garden bed.
What's the takeaway? Use your taller plants as shades for your greens. Number 2, don't follow tradition, garden your way. Number 3, onions are your best friend. And lastly, use scent makers like basil to attract and protect. Okay, so now I want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite combos? Leave it in the comments. Onions line every single